Hi, my name is Andrew, and I am an SEO manager in the IT field, and I would give Power BI a 4 out of 5. Previous to Power BI, we had tried tools like Tableau, and Tableau is great, but the onboarding and learning curve is pretty steep for Tableau. The other option was Google Data Studio, which was a great option as well, but Google Data Studio is much more limited in its functionality. So, besides the functionality, the primary reason we went with Power BI is that we have a very tight integration in the Microsoft ecosystem. So, Power BI definitely was the primary choice. But aside from that, the feature set of the software is superb as well. So bringing Power BI into our organization was a little difficult, just because of the wide deployment, the licensing structure, and it does have definitely a learning curve, and any organization should take that into account when choosing to deal with Power BI. Any organization that wants to bring Power BI on board definitely should consider the licensing structure and how the organization is laid out. Probably the one thing about Power BI that really need to understand is sharing of dashboards, which requires more of a power user account, which can be a hindrance in some cases.